My name is Will Hawker. I study at Cardiff and Vale College and I study Extended Fitness Diploma Level 3. I'm really enjoying studying my course at Cardiff and Vale College for two reasons. One, being a part of the Rugby Academy, and two, learn about anatomy and physiology, because I find it really interesting to learn about the bones, the muscles and the heart. And yeah, really enjoying it. And hopefully in year two, I will enjoy it even more. I really enjoy being a part of the Rugby Academy, again for obvious reasons. One, the support of the coaches that give me and matured me into the player I am, and two, being around a new group of people and that can really play really good rugby to a high level. One significant highlight that stands out for me is playing on the Principality Stadium for the first time, and I've always had that ambition since I was about the age of 3 to 4, and I'm just really privileged to follow in my father's footsteps and play on the Principality. Well, first of all, the facilities are outstanding. So you've got the dome, the athletics track outside, the two gyms on the city centre campus on Leckwith, and on that note, the staff they're excellent as well. With not just me, but everyone on my course as well. They're really supportive, all really good at giving feedback and telling us what we need to put into our assignments, coursework, and helping us get prepped for our summer exams. Because I know that if I don't get the grades I want, I won't be able to achieve successfully in life and in any university I desire to go to. So I really take priorities over my studies than anything else. I'm obviously still doing my sports, but just not as much as my studies. The college has been incredibly supportive in my first year, and hopefully in my second year they'll help me even more to get the grades I want and then progress on to a university of my choice.